Hey, hello, how are you? YouTube. This is Dwayne Mooney. I am the CEO of the Wealth Portal. The Wealth Portal is a success club. We specialize in passive investing, or some people may call it automated income and self improvement, because we believe you must grow with your money. So it's very important to realize that. So you have all these passive investment programs going on, these platforms that we call platforms. We have third-party platforms that help you make money. Everything's passive, like a Novatech, who's in whatever they're doing now. I can't figure it out. I know they're not paying, so I'm not concerned about them at this point. So we have other programs. Funds is on hold for now, for whatever reason. They're recalibrating or finding or pivoting to get to a place where they can start paying again. For whatever reason they gave is their reason. But we know when these programs, uh, it's usually right now what's going on with the programs that's dealing with cryptocurrency, especially if they're in America, they're having issues. Even if they have an international uh, company, if the people are in America, the U.S. is coming after them. Why is that? Who knows? America wants their cut, as I always say. So Novatech was a good platform. People who criticize it, who down it. I mean, it ran for 4 years. What do you expect? These companies run for 3 or 4 years, and that's what this talk discussion is about: is to deal with the reality of where we are. We are in a wild, wild west system. It's the wild, wild west. We're dealing with cryptocurrency. Stock market is risky. The forex is risky. Cryptocurrency is even riskier because it's new and the governments can't control it. So what do? You have to understand that getting in. Some programs will be real. It doesn't matter. They may have a 3 to 4 year run. Why? Because they have network marketing and affiliate marketing systems attached to it. So they get oversaturated. At some point, they just can't continue to pay. So that doesn't mean they pull the rug pull. It means they can't pay you no more. You made your money. So understand when it's getting close to 3 years, make sure you have broken even with a good company and you're way in profit, and you use some of that money to get in other programs, which I call accelerated wealth. When you know how to move your money to other platforms, never depend on one platform. And you want to put your money in PAM accounts where you have uh, control of your money. They can't, no one can take your money. The mirror trader is being traded for you, but no one can take your money. So you have to have a combination of that and third party platforms, because third party platforms pay you so much, but have a balance of PAM accounts as well so you can continue to make money, and have a balance of low risk and mid risk programs, mostly low risk programs, that's going to run you for 3 or 4 years. But then you get a program like Quopi, which we don't know who's running the company, but it pays so well and it's so good. Obviously, AI is running it, and they say they're trading the stock market, but who knows? We don't know who's doing it. So I just look at, they're not really trading the stock market, and it's a good ran money system. So you take advantage of it and you make the money. You don't get emotionally involved. Know what it is. I have something called the four play system, where you have four plays. You have four platforms you're working with. One is mid risk, the rest are low risk programs. You're guaranteed to make money. So once you have a formula, you can't help but get rich. It's not a hit and miss. So don't get mad when a program rug pulls, because you can be trading in the forex and lose all your money. What do? You either, oh, I can't trade, and you stop, or you look at, well, let me how I can become a better trader. The best traders have more than one account. They have a low risk account, they have a mid risk account, and they have a high risk account. Okay, they don't do high risk and mid risk in one account. They lose money too. So when you lose a company, if you have 7, 8, 9, or 10 going, it doesn't matter. But if you're just depending on one company and you put all your life savings in one company, you're going to go broke. Guaranteed, you're going to go broke. So I just want you to understand you have to have I like to call it a passive investment warrior mentality. Understand, understand you're in the wild, wild west and you are going to it's going to be risky. You're in a risky environment, period. So within the risky environment, you have to have low risk, mid risk, okay? And very few mid risk to high risk, mostly low risk, right? And a combination of third party platforms and also PAM accounts. Now, some of you may want to trade yourself. I'm a trader. I don't want to trade anymore. I let the nerds trade my money in PAM accounts, right? And the third party platforms that have proven to be real, like a Fortick that's proven to be real. So you have to have a combination. Then you'll always make money and you'll make a lot of money. So the second part of this discussion is how do you deal with it? What understanding passive investing? And then pay attention to your platforms. Don't set it and leave it. Pay attention. That's why my line is think like a investor and act like a trader. Invest, but you got to pay attention like a trader. So it's not really passive. You got to be active and pay attention to where your money is going and how you're moving money. So that's that part. The other part is this, the mindset. You have to have a millionaire mindset and understand that you can make as much money through this passive investment system as you want, right? So that's the millionaire mind. And find the people who are doing it and model the people who are making the money. See what they're doing to make money, the combinations that they're doing, how they're working the system. And never get greedy, right? And don't let greed take over. Don't let fear take over. Greed, you're going to put more money, a lot of money in one or two programs that you think is a hit. You don't know what's going to be a hit. You're dealing with the law of probability. You do your research, you find the best company, usually find a company that people are who's involved with it, or somebody who's involved with it, right? On the other side, on the business side, right? Those are the best companies. Now, so you're looking at the compensation plan, you're looking at how it pays out, how long can they sustain this, the whole deal, right? So you got to understand it's the mindset. You have to have a millionaire mindset, knowing that you can make as much money as you can. Just do it, especially if you reinvest and you take cash flow, always taking cash flow as you're reinvesting. And you're also building a business on the affiliate side, right? So that's that millionaire mind. Think big, 10x it. You're making $1,000 a week. You want to make 10,000 a week. You want to keep upping the ante with yourself, right? So have that millionaire mind, but then you want to have financial IQ and financial literacy. Financial literacy, you want to have the skill set of knowing what you're doing, then find the platforms that you're working with, know all of them, what they're about. Then you want to have financial IQ, and it's based on how much money you're making with the platforms. That raises your IQ. So when you get all that together, you are guaranteed to make money, right? And remember, I'm not a financial educator. I am a self-improvement expert. I'm telling you how this works if you want to make money. So what you do is follow my link below. Get with the Wealth Portal. Get with the Wealth Portal. We have a private group with Facebook. See what we're doing with the skill set, learning the skill set of making money with passive investments. Name of the group is Wealth Portal Group. Understand this, see the Wealth Portal back there. Understand the skill set and also understand self-improvement. Grow your mind so you can make all the money you want. This is Dwayne Mooney with the Wealth Portal. I'm out of here. Peace and prosperity.